Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today let's make an ice-dyed shirt. The shirt was prepped like normal and I have it turned inside out. I'm going to kind of do a tall, deep scrunch for this ice dye, so I've placed the shirt down inside of just a container which I purchased at the dollar store. It's made out of plastic, but it has large holes which will allow all the ice and the runoff from the ice to drain away from the shirt. To keep it up out of the muck, I've placed another one of these containers upside down underneath this container. To make the tall, deep scrunches, I don't want to pack the shirt in tightly, and I'm not going to tie it with anything. Now I'm going to place a layer of ice over the top of the shirt. For this shirt, I've chosen a variety of darker green and brown colors. Kind of like a forest floor or a mossy type shirt. So I'm just going to randomly sprinkle these colors over the top of the ice. For this shirt, I'm going to use khaki from Dharma, bronze from Dharma, moss green from Dharma, Brazil nut from Dharma, avocado from Dharma, Loden from Pro Chemical and Dye, balsam fir from Pro Chemical and Dye, olive from Pro Chemical and Dye, and mocha from Pro Chemical and Dye. I've listed the colors I've used down below in the description. Now I'm going to add an additional sprinkle of soda ash over the top of the dye, and then set the shirt aside and allow all the ice to melt. I didn't add a second layer of ice to the shirt, I just allowed it to process about 24 hours after this first layer of ice melted. Then I took the shirt to my utility sink and I began rinsing it in cold water to rinse out the soda ash. Since the shirt is not tied, after I rinsed for a while in cold, I went ahead and warmed the water up to hot and continued rinsing to rinse out any of the excess dye that didn't bond with the fabric. Then I put the shirt into my washing machine and washed it using a hot water cycle with a little bit of Dharma's textile detergent. And after the shirt was washed and dried, this is what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? I'm not really sure about this one. So for reference, this shirt I purchased at Walmart and it's a size 2X 100% cotton George brand shirt, which I purchased in the men's section. First off, the shirt did shrink quite a bit, so if you're looking at purchasing those shirts, this one did shrink quite a bit. And I think I nailed the mossy part, but I'm not sure if I like the shirt. I like the dye movement on the shirt, and I like the color splits on the shirt. But I think I would have liked it better if either the whole shirt was the darker portion, like on the darker part of the shirt, the bottom part, or if the whole shirt was lighter, like the top part of the shirt. I don't know that I really like the combination of both. One of my sons saw it though, and he thought it looked really cool. So I don't know. I mean, it may just be a personal preference thing. I was going for something that had a darker, like khaki, mossy, forest floor feel. So I think I nailed it with that part, but I don't know. I still haven't made up my mind about this one. But if you all enjoyed watching the video and you like the content of the video, I sure would appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.